Over the next 5 years, billions of dollars will be pumped into infrastructure projects right here in Western Sydney. It will provide unprecedented opportunity for local businesses, especially those in construction. Opportunities for subcontractors, trades, suppliers and consultants. We asked one of the Connections buyers to give us a quick snapshot of just some of their upcoming projects.
For those of you that don't know me, my name's Ben Mathers. I'm the General Manager of Mjh Multi. Mjh Multi is a residential housing business which is part of the McDonald Jones Homes Group, third largest housing builder in the country and the largest in New South Wales. Mjh Multi specialises in doing projects for corporate clients other than mums and dads, companies like DHA, Stockland, Lendlease, a lot of retirement living operators and land lease communities. We come from Port Macquarie all the way down to the south coast of Sydney. We've got projects that will come up in northern New South Wales as well, based out of Western Sydney at Norwest, and we have a fair few projects coming up in the Western Sydney regions where we're looking for additional contractors, additional support and labour, some supply to help us deliver on these projects.
Mjh Multi is just one example of the enormous volume of work out there, and it's ready for the taking. Unfortunately, we hear all too often from businesses who don't know where to start or have spent months, sometimes even years, reaching out to buyers with little to show for it. Suppliers often see the same handful of businesses winning the work time and time again without ever getting a look in themselves, and are left wondering how they can get their business in front of potential buyers and how they too can access these opportunities. The good news is we have spent years doing the groundwork for you. We have made the connections and we are ready to introduce you to the opportunities. Through our specifically designed Construction Connect program, you will hear about our partners' upcoming projects and the products and services they are looking to procure. You will have access to construction industry leaders, as well as a community of like-minded businesses who have joined the journey. You will be invited to attend Meet the Buyer events and virtual roundtables, helping you to not only become seen, but also known. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from Connection member Shannon Darcy about his experience with us.
If you haven't been part of the Meet the Buyer events, then jump on board and become a member and get involved in these events, because you're creating a lot of new business and new relationships through it. I believe the opportunities come from the camaraderie that you have of the member base, because everybody's here helping each other to capitalise on the opportunities. I remember when SD Group first became a member, I had someone call me, a big developer called me on day one and introduced himself and put an opportunity straight on the table, which was just brilliant. So get involved and be part of the team, part of the group.
As an active part of this thriving community, Shannon is always on the lookout for new suppliers. So don't let these opportunities pass you by.